How are you? I really hope that you all are safe at your homes. Yes? Okay. So students, today we will revise the unseen comprehension. For it, let's look here. This is unseen comprehension. Dear students, the first rule to solve the comprehension is read the passage very carefully. So let's read with me. Joy is a good boy. His uncle lives in a farmhouse. He loves to go there in holidays. There are many animals in the farmhouse. There are 2 cows and a calf. What is the meaning of calf? Cow baby is called calf. There are 3 pigs and 2 piglets. Piglets means pig's baby is called piglets. There are 3 ducks in the pond and there are 4 hens in the farm. Dear students, to solve the comprehension, to answer any question in the comprehension, we no need to learn the content of the passage. The first thing is read the passage, read the passage, read the passage. Every answer will be in the passage only. Clear? So let's read the first question. Where does Joy's uncle live? Yes, look at the passage. Joy is a good boy. His uncle lives in a farmhouse. So our question is, where does Joy's uncle live? So his uncle lives in a farmhouse. Dear students, you can underline here. You can underline this line and write afterwards. So what is our answer is? Joy's uncle lives in a farm house. Clear? Now next question is, when does Joy go to the farmhouse? Again, to give the answer, we will go to the passage. Joy is a good boy. His uncle lives in a farmhouse. He loves to go there in holidays. Yes, when does Joy go to the farmhouse? Yes, again we can underline this line. He loves to go there in holidays. So we can write it afterwards there. When does Joy go to the farmhouse? Joy goes to the farmhouse. Goes to the farmhouse in holidays. Clear? So next question is, how many hens are there? So again we will see the passage. How many hens are there? There are 4 hens. Again we will underline this line and write afterwards. How many hens are there? There are 4 hens. There are 4 hens. Clear? Now see the next question is, write the opposite of hate. The students, I am telling you again and again, every answer will be in the passage only. So find out the opposite of hate. What is the opposite of hate? Love. You can circle this here. Here, opposite of hate, love. So write the plural of cow. Plural means many. Plural means many. 1 cow, yes, here. There are 2 cows. The plural of cow is cows. Plural of cow is cows. Clear? Now see the next question is 6th question. Make a sentence on of the word pond. It means you have to make a sentence of the word pond yourself. It should not be from the passage. For this you can make any sentence like, I saw 5 ducks, or there are many ducks in the pond. Clear? So students, in comprehension there is no need to learn anything. We have to locate the answers from the passage only. Clear? Dear students, I will send you more passages for the practice. Till then, bye and have a nice day.